Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Hanan. I'm Hanan and today we're going to see why and when we use the present simple. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. Let's get started. Look at these sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She drinks coffee every morning. The sun rises in the east. Can you see something in common? All these sentences are in the present simple. But when do we use exactly the present simple? Let's find out. Number one, we use the present simple for habits and daily routines. A habit is something you do regularly. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. I brush my teeth every morning. I go to work every day. She studies English every evening. So we use the present simple here because these actions happen regularly. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Okay. I brush my teeth every morning. Okay. I go to work every day. Okay. She studies English every evening. Good. Number two, we use the present simple for facts and general truths. The following sentences, for example, are always true. The sun rises in the east. Cats like milk. Birds fly. So these sentences are always true, so we use the present simple. Repeat after me. The sun rises in the east. Okay. Cats like milk. Okay. Birds fly. Very good. Number three, we use the present simple for likes and dislikes. Listen carefully. I like pizza. She loves music. They enjoy football. He doesn't like coffee. So these sentences talk about what people like and don't like. So again, we use the present simple. Repeat after me. I like pizza. Okay. She loves music. Okay. They enjoy football. Okay. He doesn't like coffee. Excellent. Okay, now it's time for a quick review. So, when do we use the present simple? Number one, we use it for habits and daily routines. Number two, for facts and general truths. Number three, for likes and dislikes. Great job! Now it's your turn. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I am play football every day. B. I play football every day. The correct answer is B. I play football every day. Good. Question 2. Which sentence is a fact? A. The sun rises in the east. B. I am eating breakfast now. Okay, the correct answer is A. The sun rises in the east. Well done! Okay then, you have just completed the first lesson on the present simple. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and that you feel confident using this tense. So remember, learning English takes time, so keep practicing a little every day. So in the next lesson, you're going to learn how to make positive sentences in the present simple, and you will definitely start building your own sentences in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. For more practice, download the free PDF worksheet from the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.